What's up guys, I'm Richard Quigo and welcome to SuperStreet X ToyoTires.
Yeah, I love where I'm from. All good, it's all love. 45, we go dumb. This shit is banging like a drum. Yeah, I love where I'm from. All good, it's all love. 45, we go dumb. Shit is banging like a drum. Shit is banging like a drum. This shit is banging like a drum. Shit is banging like a drum. This shit is banging like a drum. Yeah, I love where I'm from. All good, it's all love. 45, we go dumb. Shit is banging like a drum. I'm starting to paint the picture. I've just been chipping away at my wishes. Staying away from the negative shit. I've been keeping my mind on my business. What if we didn't? I would be shit. Nah, but we did, and now your boy lit. I still be seeing it, still I forgive. Let me just spend a few racks on the bitch. Smoke by the boat, smoke by the boat. Always say high, little better than low. Give them the rope, cause they on the climb. I'm sipping the slime, it's making me slow. Yeah, but I'm bound to be the most poppin'. Icing on them like hockey. Blow the smoke from my poly, yeah. Blow the smoke from my broccoli, yeah. Yeah, I love where I'm from. All good, it's all love. 45, we go dumb. This shit is banging like a drum. Yeah, I love where I'm from. All good, it's all love. 45, we go dumb. Shit is banging like a drum. Shit is banging like a drum. This shit is banging like a drum. Shit is banging like a drum. This shit is banging like a drum. Yeah, I love where I'm from. All good, it's all love. 45, we go dumb. Shit is banging like a drum. I'ma just light up the place. No one is safe. Now get the fuck out of my face. Please give me something to break. It's here for the take, and I am not trying to wait. Roll up some loud every day. I savor the taste.
So we're here at the Honda Center, and already you can see there's like a bunch of cars coming in. Show cars that they're gonna have today are all. We're in the main lot right now, where the main event is going on. So I just met up with the guys. Say hi guys.
What's up, guys?
It's William and Harlan. But right now we're just catching all the cars going in. Oh, that's a Black Series? We're gonna take a look at all the cars there, right? Okay, so we're here in the lot. Once you go to enough of these, you pretty much start seeing like the same cars all over and all over again. I mean, they're still so cool to see because there's always something different. Like we have this S14 with these crazy ass rims. That's pretty awesome. I've never seen this one before. I've never seen that Lexus before. Like these guys, I see them pretty often, especially that R35 right there and that Ferrari. I've seen it like 5 times already, which is why I'm not too focused on it today. But what I want to focus on is probably this thing right here. This RX-7 is so crazy. Just look at this thing. And this RX-8 that kind of like matches up with it. But this RX-7 looks so fantastic, especially with this big wing. Like it got cut right here in the bumper. We got some body flares here. Not sure if they do anything or not, or it's all just cosmetic. one of my top 3 cars today. C63 AMG right here with a wide body. Second thing is the RWB Porsche behind it, and then the Ferrari 458 Italia with the Liberty Walk wide body kit. But if I had to pick one, it'd definitely have to be this. The C63 looks utterly amazing in this black. I think we saw this before at Super Ill, just briefly, not too much in depth. Inside it looks very typical, but the outside, I have no idea what type of body kit this is. I'm assuming Liberty Walk, but I could be wrong. It has an I remember seeing that symbol somewhere before. I can't remember what exhaust specifically that is though. Basically the 2 types of cars I kind of love are AMGs and like Lambos. So we got both, but really appreciate this Porsche RWB. The more you look at it, it's like the more you kind of like fall in love with it. I mean, they are just body kits, but just how it all comes together with kind of like that Porsche, that classic Porsche look, and then with the wide body, wow. Despite that most of these vents are pretty much kind of like the same most of the time, what people are really excited about and what people stay for is like that definitely cleared up our eardrums. Wow, all these cars are burnout. Damn, he saved that. That was definitely heart pumping, man. Oh my god. Insane. Oh my god. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, what is that?
S-Cargo. Nissan S-Cargo.
That's an S-Cargo. Meaning snail in French, right?
Yeah.
This episode is sponsored by Smart and Final. So yeah, we still got quite a few cars left. There's still a lot of people around the ToyoTires, like. Oh my god, I don't even know what that is. Everyone's heading over there right now. It's coming out from right there. Everyone's like running. Don't leave without me.
Holy crap.
Rev it for the kids.
Rev it for the kids. Rev it for the kids.
Rev it for the kids. Whoa. These are pretty much the moments we live for.
Yep.
But this corner sucks. Whoa. Oh man. It's gonna scrape. Nope. Oh, it did. Hey, the only one that made it. That driveway is just claiming so many lives today. There you go. Hey, I don't know what this is gonna do, but the pole's here just in case. There. Yeah, that guy keeps going back and forth, back. I don't know if we should just stay here because he might come back again. He just ran a red light. Yeah, he's gone. Is that the one that sounds like gunfire? Wow. I don't even think my camera caught that, just because of how loud it was. Oh, please. Time to get on the sidewalk. Oh no, he's gonna get pulled over. Maybe not. Whoop, 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 whoop. Is he gonna light it up? No, it doesn't look like he's gonna light it up though. Alright, battery's about to run out, so I'll see you guys later on the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. My ears hurt. Oh, how'd you find us? Man, the RX-7 looks so much better than the RX-8.
Definitely.
Oh, that's a good shot of that Mustang. He stepped on the brake. Oh, yeah.